beautiful girlfriend in my life, and she really has made my life have more meaning. Thank you, M. Moore, for following. God bless you. And she has really blessed my life with her presence, And, I'm doing my best to start my life with her. And so we're trying to build a tiny house on our family's property, So all these gifts right now, they really help. Who got a gift? Let me find out. That's my new catchphrase for TikTok. Thank you, Snyder, for following. God bless you. Can anyone please spare any gifts to help me and my girlfriend, please, man? Please have some compassion for us. Thank you, Winter. I'm also happy to be here right now, live streaming for you guys. Hello, Roman. Thank you for following. God bless you. You said you're gonna drop a lion just to piss the chat off, man. That would be beautiful, man. That would be so beautiful. I will be forever grateful to you. God bless you. I still don't think I've ever got a lion on TikTok. I swear. I swear on my life, I don't think I've ever gotten a lion on. I think I might have one time, but at the same time, every time I try to remember it, if I ever got one, I always remember just people saying that. That's the number one gift. People say, oh, I'm going to send a lion. Thank you, Rick, for following. God bless you. People are like, oh, I'm going to send you a lion. So many times, but I don't think it's ever happened. I'm pretty sure. I've never got a lion. So, if anyone wants to make my day, make my year, lion, that would be a beautiful way to do it. But and then they send a lion emoji. God bless. I'm not mad. You said TikTok different since when I wasn't here. Don't worry, we going back, baby. Do not worry. The number one beggar in the nation is here. Hello, Husker. How you doing? God bless you. Thank you, Maria. Good to see you too. Sorry, I'm still getting over being sick. Still got a lot of mucus backed up. Yeah, it's been a while, everybody. Good to see all of you. Please send any gifts if you can to help me out, please. Please send any gifts if you can, please, everybody. Have some compassion for me and my girlfriend, please. Hello, Indie God. How you doing? God bless you. Thank you, Mr. Bradley, for the heart puff gift. God bless you. Man, hey, Mr. Bradley, you gotta shout me out, man. Shout me out if you can, man, in a video or something. I'll do it for you too. God bless you, man. Thank you for helping me out, helping me get back on here. And know that, it's to just ask for gifts. That's how he helped me out. He said, just ask for gifts. I think that's what TikTok wants us to do, just ask for gifts. So that's all I'm asking for is gifts. Yeah, we will definitely battle sometime. I gotta wait till tomorrow. Though. I gotta go live 3 days in a row, so I gotta go live tomorrow too, and then they'll let me battle. I know, man. No, can anyone else please send any gifts? Thank you, everybody, for tapping the screen. Though I appreciate it. Thank you, Maria, for tapping the screen. If you care about me and my girlfriend, but you can't spare any gifts, please at least tap the screen. Please at least At least tap the screen. Sorry, I'm trying to set my phone up here. It's kind of hard. I'm setting it up on this barbed wire on a tree. Okay, hopefully that stays up. Can anybody please send any gifts to help me and my girlfriend, please? Anybody. Thank you, Maria and Rachel, for tapping the screen. Thank you, Husker Nation, for tapping the screen. Thank you so much. I'm up here begging you guys to please help me and my girlfriend, man. Please. God bless. It's on my YouTube, Troy. Can anyone please spare any TikTok gifts to help me and my girlfriend, please? Can anyone please spare tapping this? Thank you, F Yo Couch, for tapping this. Begging for TikTok gifts. I'm begging anybody for TikTok gifts, man. Please. I do not think this is funny, man. This is serious to me. I really need TikTok gifts, man. Okay, Jessica, I'm not gonna leave. I'm gonna stay here, okay? I'll be right here. If you could spare any gifts to help me and my girlfriend, we would both appreciate it so much. God bless you guys. Anything helps. Thank you, everybody who's tapping the screen. Please, everybody, please follow me if you do not follow me already, and please share my videos if you like the content and you want your friends to see it. Please share the videos. Don't forget to like if you appreciate the content. Help me out here, all right? Thank you, Eric, for the baby ghost gifts. Thank you so much. God bless you. Thank you, man. What content? If you go to my TikTok profile, you'll see the content. It's called videos. I have videos uploaded. Content. So I am asking all of you here today to make a decision. Make a decision right now to have compassion. Compassion for me and my girlfriend. I stand before you here today, a humble man. They said entertain us. I'm trying, I don't know how much more entertaining I can beg for gifts. Can y'all please? I don't know how much more entertaining I can beg for gifts. Can y'all please? Can y'all please send any gifts, please? You see the way I'm holding my hands? That means I know what I'm talking about. I am asking all of you right now to please send a few gifts. All right? Maybe a few roses. I see nobody has been willing to send a sunglasses gift today. I guess they're right. TikTok did change. Can anybody please spare any money? Thank you so much. Thank you so much, my friend. God bless you. God bless you so much, my friend. Thank you. Look at that. Look at that. I cannot believe it. I just wanted to see those beautiful sunglasses. There we go. Thank you so much, Eric. Thank you so much, Eric. God bless you so much, man. Thank you. Please send any gifts if you can, my friends. Amen. Hold on. Hello, Squidward. And Brew. Squidward. Oh my God. Hold on, you guys. Oh my God. Hold on, you guys.